Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a code snippet or code block snippet to your messages on Slack, for example, to use coding languages like JavaScript and any other coding language that is supported here on Slack. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Slack workspace and access the given channel or conversation where you'd like to start adding the code snippet to. So let me go with that channel here, and after that pay attention to that messages section here at the top, because here at the bottom you will see your text box you can use to communicate with your channel members and also to add your code snippet or code block. So to do that, guys, start a new message here by clicking into the text box, and here at the top to the right here in the tab you will see the code block feature. You may enable it by left clicking on it or by simply using the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-C. Click into it, and after that you will be given access to that code block here. So you may use, for example, your code block like in JavaScript or any other supported languages. I don't know which languages, coding languages are supported here on Slack, but most definitely JavaScript, guys. So here simply use that text box to add your code block, and that's it. After that, press enter and send the message, and that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.